Good morning students, once again welcome to Let's Learn Maths. Today we will do the sum 14 because before 3 days we have completed the numbers 11, 12, 13. Again we will start from where we left some days before. Shall we start? See, I am reading the question number 14. If the length of the sides of the right angle triangle is AP, prove that their ratio will be 3:4:5. That means there is a right angle triangle. There are three sides of a triangle, and the three sides of a right angle triangle are in arithmetic progression. That means what are the sides of the right angle triangle? They are all in arithmetic progression series. That means three sides, three numbers in arithmetic progression series. If there are three numbers, what are the numbers? A minus D, A plus D. Okay, because 3 is an odd number series. If odd number series is there, so we will take that the numbers are like A minus D and A plus D. Let's start the sum. This is a right angle triangle. Let this is A, B, C. Let, not necessarily take the right angle triangle, but for understanding. This is P, this is B, this is H. In a right angle triangle, H means hypotenuse, always the largest side. That means the number is large. If we take the three numbers, so the number which is come to this side, that number will be the greatest number, because if we will take numbers like 7, 8, 9, so 7, 8, this will be the 9, because largest side. We have to prove that these sides are in the ratio of what? 3:4:5. See, let this will be the A minus D and A plus D. Okay? See, let the three sides of a right angle triangle will be A minus D, A plus D. So now we will solve the question. Wait a minute. See, why this line will take like this? Because see, this is the right angle triangle. This is P, this is B, this is H. That means P square plus B square is equal to H square. This is known as Pythagoras theorem. In the same way, we will take like this, because A minus D whole square, that is P square, plus A square, H square, that means A plus D whole square. Now solve this. A minus D whole square, nothing but A square plus D square minus 2AD plus A square is equal to what? A square plus D square plus what? 2AD. Okay? See, A minus whole square, A square plus B square minus 2A, that means A plus whole square, A minus whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square को A square. A plus D whole square means A square plus D square plus 2AD. Now solve this. See, A square plus A square, how much? 2A square and D square minus 2AD plus 280 come this side, minus 280 is equal to, see, this plus t square, this plus t square, go on that side. समझ में आया? ओके, सी ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर 2a स्क्वायर, डी स्क्वायर माइनस 12 see this will be the remaining number like a square. Okay, see this will be cancelled, this a square will come which side, this side, so 2a square minus a square minus 4a is equal to what, 0. See a square plus a square 2a square minus 280 this plus 280 will come this side, minus 280 plus d square on that side, minus d square, and this a square will a square. See what is 2a square minus a square, what, plus a square minus 4a is equal to 0. Now see I will like write this, it's okay, this side also are equal, so a square is equal to minus 480, go on that side, what, a square is equal to 480. Now 1 square, this will be cancelled, so remaining what, a square is equal to a is equal to 4d. Okay, see 2a square minus a square minus 480 is equal to 0, then a square is equal to 480. How? This minus 480 if move that side, so plus 480, a square 1a cancel, a is equal to 40, that means a is equal to 40. Now we get the value of a, that means a is equal to 40. Now find the series. See, listen, now a minus d is equal to what, a is equal to 4d minus d, that is 3d. Again a is equal to what, 4d. Now a plus 4d, that means 4d plus what, d, that is 5d. What we have to prove, that the three sides are in the ratio of 3:4:5. Therefore see a, this is the a, what we got, 4d a minus d, what we got, 3d, last one is 5d, because a minus d, a plus d, so the series will be d cancel. Okay, let's prove. See, first we will take three numbers in series, because there are three numbers means odd series, so the numbers will be a minus d, a plus b. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem, like p square is equal to, since p square plus b square is equal to h square. Theorem. So a minus 1 d square, a square b square, a plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now 2a square minus 2ad. How? A square is equal to 2a square minus 2ad plus 2ad minus 2ad. देखा सिंपल कह बोले ये समझा बहुत इजी, बट वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट, सिंस समटाइम्स 8 कन्फ्यूज हो पारंते. देख ए माइनस होल स्क्वायर मीन्स कौन आला, ए माइनस होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला कौन है, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. इन द सेम वे 8 से फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कराला. नाउ ए स्क्वायर को ए स्क्वायर रखा वाला इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस होल स्क्वायर, तो मैंने ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला a square plus d square plus 2ab. Now a square मिसल how much, 2a square minus 2ad plus 2ad आसला minus 2ad is equal to d square रहला. ये जो d square सेकंड नंबर minus d square आ a square पर पड़े होती सीढ़ियाँ रखिए. So a square, so 2a square minus a square ए प्लस ए स्क्वायर एकान प्लस ला केते ला 2 स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2 माइनस 12 माइनस 4 एडी डी कैंसिल 0 तापर we will solve like this. Last what we got, a is equal to 4d, but there are three numbers, what, a minus d, a plus d. So a minus d is equal to 3d, a is equal to 4d, a plus 4d is equal to what, sorry, a plus 4d not, that is a plus d, 4d plus d is equal to 5d. So the three sides are in the ratio of 3d, 4d is to 5d. These are the sides now, because a minus d, a plus d, these are sides of the right angle triangle. Three sides are in the ratio of 3 is to 3d, 4d, 5d, that means 3 is to 4 is to 5. बुझले? Hope. Note it down in your notes.